Uthi Paul, I've gone through many hardships. Umafika ku Acts chapter number 28. Benza umlilo eMelta. Uma benza umlilo eMelta. Uthethi baprofetela ukuthi manje babakithi ngicela ukuthi singahambi. Ngoba le uhambo lwethu lunengozi bathi ayasabe wena was things. Uthi hayi ngumkhonza ifike kimi. Uthi umtshelile lo mkhonza. Akaguquka unjani izolo namhlanje naphakade. Uma khuluma kuPaul, akakhuluma nakuwe. Uma khuluma kuSibani, akakhuluma nakuwe. Uthi uPaul, ngiyamazi lo enkhuluma ngayo umbizile. Abamlaleli, sebenza umlilo and umafaka yena insaba zenkulu ulunywa inyoka. Abantu bakuleyo ndawo bathi, ya kusho ukuthi umuntu uyisigebengu. Bheka manje ulunywa inyoka. Isambambile inyoka ngama-fangs ayo uyayilithiza. Why uPaul alithiza le nyoka? uPaul wakwashaya washiwa ngathi uzofa. Kanti uPaul uzovuka. Amen. uPaul wakwafaka ejele. Becabanga ukuthi ngeke aphinde aphume la. Waphinda uPaul waphuma. uPaul wakwaswela ngisho isinkwa sokudla. Ingakho kuFilippians chapter 4 ethi uPaul mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngisuthe, ngiyakwazi ukulamba. Uma ebhekene nesimo esinzima, akathi uphi lo nkulunkulu. Uthi lo nkulunkulu ophakathi kwami, ngiyazi ukuthi angeke avume ukuthi le nyoka ingulana uyayilithiza. Esha. Uyayilithiza sisale nyoka. Iyawa. Esikhundleni sokuthi bathi isigebengu. Baqala bafuna ukukhothama before him. Because abantu bangasho ukuthi uphi lo nkulunkulu wakho. But if you stay the course. But uma wambelela njalo. Uma udlula with the test number 1. When test number 2 eza, your faith is being strengthened. Uma test number 3 ifika, your faith gets to level number 3. Uma izinzima, izinyoka sezikushaya. Uyazilithiza. Ngoba lapho eqaleni awuzange ubaleke. Your faith was tested. That is why Bible is bringing every thought into captivity to the obedience of Christ. Anything that is with Amfana so late. Should have said this for 2024. This is 2025. Kuba wamthola prophet uThabo. Siyaqalana ama Monday prayers. Mhlawumbe uzokuthola. Mhlawumbe wamthola ngingakayanga kuma cells on Tuesday. Mhlawumbe uzokuthola. Mhlawumbe uzokuthola ngisaye esontweni ngiye but manje ufike nesikhathi esirong. Ubhekene nengqondo. Every thought as I give, I bring it down to the obedience of Christ. It is not Christ also when situations zero obedient. That is going to bring every thought into captivity to the obedience of